What's going on, everyone? This is Jordan with Conquering Investing. Bitcoin is falling. The Bitcoin price is dumping. Everyone is worried. Let's take a look at what's going on. We'll get to the charts in a moment. We're going to start off taking, as we always do, the deeper perspective, taking a step back and looking at things. And we could see here looking at Bitcoin stock to flow and price. And we're looking at price being pretty much exactly where it's expected to be right now. Within these bands is just really fear and greed. It's just normal price fluctuations. And sure, this could happen, right? The stock to flow model could fall apart and Bitcoin could trade down to $200 and the internet could break, and let's look at a deeper perspective. Let's look at what's going on here. Seems to me like right now we're leaning off this lower line of support. Usually when most people are fearful is when you should be buying. This looks like a great time to buy longer term. What do we have going on? So plus one token scam is dumping about, they say, estimated about 1,500 Bitcoin a day, which is also about the amount of Bitcoin the miners are selling each day. It's being absorbed pretty well. I look at this as a buying opportunity, personally. And you could see that we are just about 6 months or 5 months away until the next halving. What happens after the halving? This chart should really give you some perspective. This is what you need to see today, all right? Look, this is on the right here. You have how many months to the next halving? Okay? So what color, where are we right now? I just said we're about 5 months to the next halving. All right, so that's light blue turning to dark blue. What has happened in the past when we get to those light blue turning to dark blue? Price should be stabilizing. And then in the next few months, price should be slowly rising during the next 5 months into May. May 5th is the expected halving of the Bitcoin block reward. About 5.5 months away. As you can see, as we get closer and closer to the halving, price is slowly rising. Price should be, I have my estimation, and it's been that way for about a year now, is that price will be trading at 11,400 going into the halving. It looks like that's exactly where we're headed. And then what happens after the halving, right? What happens after the halving until you get through orange, right? Let's see. Look at this. This is where price appreciation really goes parabolic. So should you be selling right now? Should you be fearful? Take a step back. Look what's going on. If you really need a guide, the best thing that you should look at is the True Trend BTC. Let me pull this up for you. Just go ahead into TradingView. It's a free indicator. Go attach the True Trend BTC. I use it on the 12-hour. Why? Look, you should be on the sidelines of Bitcoin at 8,500. Right now, your Bitcoin stack should be growing when you buy back in. The last time we had a trend change was over here, around 4,700. You would have been holding Bitcoin. You would have almost doubled your Bitcoin because you would have sold at 8,500. Okay? What about before there? What about before there? Remember when this line in the sand around 6,000 broke? You would have been short Bitcoin from 7,400. You would have bought back in here for 4,700. Been about 35-40% gain in Bitcoin. Your stack just grows and grows and grows. Is the entry and exit ideal? Perfect? No. Look at the top. You didn't get out at the top. You didn't get out at 19,400. You didn't get out to about 8,500. But when did you get in? How long were you holding Bitcoin? See, the whole thing is Bitcoin is moving up and down all the time. And usually people are trading in and out of that, losing money. Look at this. Do you hold here? Do you sell here? I don't know. Just follow the trend. You've been holding since $250. Yeah, you didn't get the top at 19,400, but you got out at 8,500. Was that a 30x? Should you be buying or selling Bitcoin right now? I think personally you should be outside of Bitcoin, on the sidelines, waiting to get back in. When do you get back in? Wait for the true trend to turn positive. Get back into Bitcoin. Should you be fearful over here? No. Don't be fearful. Bitcoin price is dropping right now. It's well within the model. It's simple, normal price fluctuations. Don't let people scare you out of Bitcoin. Take a step back. Look where we are. I expect 11,400 is where we enter the halving in May, 5 months from now. Price right now is trading about 6,800. All right. Take a step back. Is this going to happen? It's possible. Bitcoin could go to zero. It's entirely possible. Is it likely? Is it probable? No, it's not at all. All right, everyone. Have a great day. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and take a moment, subscribe to this channel. If you haven't liked this video, you learned something new, you enjoyed the perspective, please go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and add the true trend. Go over here, search true trend. It's a free indicator. True trend BTC. Go ahead and add that. Use that as a guide. It will keep you on the right side of Bitcoin. It'll keep you accumulating Bitcoin. Don't be fearful right now. Bitcoin's trading at 6,600. Good. Where's it going? Is it going here? This is an area, this green line is an area where historically, if you've leaned against, this has been simply the best time to be buying Bitcoin. Do you see it? Is Bitcoin going down to 5,000? Is Bitcoin going down to 1,000? Why would you think that? All right? All right, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.